Hey guys, welcome back to the Day Daily. So today we are doing the no mirror makeup challenge. So make sure you give this a like and subscribe. First up is foundation. Guys, this is much harder than it looks. And if you're wondering why I'm doing a voiceover, it's because our microphone wasn't plugged in. But that's okay. I'll just tell you what we're doing instead. This makeup challenge is so funny. And I have my cousin Kinley here today, and she is super funny. Next, concealer. Kinley did pretty good on this part. Me? I was okay. It's hard because you have to feel on your face where you're putting it. So it's really hard because you don't want to mess up. So yeah. So luckily you just blend in concealer, so it's kind of hard to mess up. Now to set it all, powder. It's kind of hard to not really do anything with powder because it's clear, so you can't really mess up. But this part is where it gets crazy. Look at Kinley, you guys. I was laughing so hard. We were trying to do the bronzer, but you don't know how much you have on your brush, and Kinley had a lot. Time for blush, and here's where I got a little crazy. Yeah, I went too far. I didn't feel like I had any blush on my brush, but clearly I did. Yeah. Now highlighter. So this one was a little too pigmented, and Kinley, she kind of put it in the wrong spot, and that was kind of a lot, Kinley. I decided to use some as eyeshadow too, and so did Kinley. Whoa, and there's my highlighter. We both did a lot. Yeah, Kinley's face is up poppin'. So is mine. Oh boy, eyebrows. I'm already not that good at eyebrows, and here I was even worse. Yeah, this was super hard because all I did pretty much was lines. And it looked kind of weird, and Kinley kind of did a unibrow. So here me and Kinley are doing this rose gold color, and here I think we did pretty good on it. Here's the hard part, guys. Eyeliner was a crazy. I wanted mine to go long, and I think I did it too long. Yeah. We went kind of up, and we turned out super crazy on this part. Next part is mascara. You can't really mess that up because you kind of can just feel your eyelashes. Okay, this last part is lips. Now, I did mine way too big, and so it looked like I was Miranda, and Kinley looked like she was a clown. Yeah, yeah, that was crazy. Yeah, I did mine way too big, and my lips looked super big. I can't really feel where I was putting it. Now it was time to see our creations. We were both shocked. We looked, not too good, but it was fun because it was really funny. So, how do you think we did? Here's my look, and here's Kinley's. Thank you guys so much for watching our silly no mirror makeup challenge. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Love y'all. See you in my next video. Bye.